So you've heard us talk about the main challenges that our clients face, not sure where to get started, actually feeling paralyzed and completely overwhelmed, not being able to start a decluttering project because you just don't know where to get started. And we totally hear you. So that's why we're going to help you out with, here's something that you can avoid. This is something that is really, we see it all the time and we want to share with you so that you can stop doing it.
So you can stop wasting money on products. Okay, so the truth is that there are absolutely no products that will ever give you the insight that the decluttering and organizing process can give you.
You're spending money on solutions that might bring temporary relief, but in the long run, they only continue to add to your problem with clutter, which you're going to see in a couple of slides ahead, because products aren't the answer. The product promises to help keep you organized, but over time, products start to create piles or be a part of the piles that you're trying to get rid of in the first place. So that shelving unit that you thought would keep your papers and your books sorted now just has more piles, more clutter, and it's more visual for you because maybe it wasn't exactly the right solution. It wasn't helping you solve the clutter issue.
So this is a photo of a session that we did. As you can see, a big pile of products, organizing solutions. And again, it wasn't the answer for this specific project. This is a common example, a lot of leftovers. So products are not the answer. You have to declutter first.
It's easy, like you're out there, it's not your fault. You're out shopping or you see something or something's advertised to you or even a friend tells you, oh, well, I got this product and it was really great for me. It's totally okay. Marketing companies sell you on false promises that products are going to deliver you the ideal home that you've always dreamed of. But the truth is that they need to work for us and not for anyone else. So how do we move forward with that?
So what can you do? You can stop buying, stop shopping right now. You can become aware first of your needs. You can take action on your ideal space. You can maintain the spaces that you love.
And before you get started, you have to acknowledge, are you willing to stop spending money on organizing products? I bet you a lot of you're putting up your hands and saying, yeah, I don't need to spend more money. Sure, thanks. Great tip. Have you ever thought about what the Have you ever thought about what the ideal outcome would be? So have you ever really sat and thought about, well, if I didn't have clutter, what would it look like? What would it feel like? What would the ideal space be if I could think of that? And are you willing to follow the awareness, action, and maintenance method? Because really, if you've been following along with some of our stuff, we are going to tell you over and over and over again, you will have ultimate success if you can follow these 3 steps.
So if you have any questions, send them our way because we can't wait to hear from you and we are very happy to answer them.
Yeah, looking forward to them.